Hello everyone, in this video we'll take a look at Vanier Canada Graduate Scholarships. At a glance, named after Major General George P. Vanier, the first Francophone Governor General of Canada, the Vanier Canada Graduate Scholarships program helped Canadian institutions attract high qualified doctoral students. Value of the award is $50,000 per year for 3 years during the doctoral studies. Considered 3 equal weighted selection criteria: academic excellence, research potential, and leadership potential, and demonstrated ability. You can read more about that. Next important date, anticipated announcement of the result will be that. Nomination process. Candidate must be nominated by Canadian institutes with quota to host Vanier scholars. Candidates should only seek a nomination from the institutions at which they want to study. And eligibility criteria is Canadian citizen, permanent resident of Canada, and foreign citizens. The research areas included health research, natural science, engineering, and social science humanities. This is the scope, value of the scholarship, duration, selection criteria. These are the important deadlines. You can take a look. These are further eligibility criteria which they have mentioned. Here you can take a look about the overview of that award, eligibility, instruction to applicants, information for institutions, information for referees, and everything. Yeah, if you have any question related to that award, you can ask me in the comment section. I will respond to your queries. Thank you so much for watching the video. Take care. Bye.